Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna go over Sortly inventory management, okay? And this is gonna be a complete guide for beginners. First, you need to understand the basics of a digital inventory tracking. So there's also the aspect of real-time visibility where you need to track inventory levels accurately, get instant updates on stock availability. Also reduce your errors because when you minimize manual data entry mistakes, you reduce your errors and you automate inventory tracking processes as well. Okay, because that data is being fed into a system and this helps improve your efficiency. Okay, it helps streamline inventory management workflows, saves you time and resources effectively. Okay, and you can go ahead and set up your first Sortly inventory system. Just go ahead and sign up for a Sortly account, choose the plan that actually meets your needs, and then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and import data. So you import your existing inventory data. You can use CSV files for this for easy transfer. And then you just go ahead and customize fields. Okay, you can track specific attributes and create custom tags for this. Okay, and some of the key features and pro tips I can give you for efficient inventory management. One is barcode scanning. You want to use the barcode scanner. This helps you to quickly add or update inventory items. You can utilize the reporting tools. You can generate a detailed report, analyze these inventory trends, make decisions so you can know when to go ahead and purchase, reorder, right? Look at those trends. And sometimes there's seasonality, so you can know at this season this is how much I need to go ahead and purchase. There's also the aspect of alerts and notifications. So you want to set up low stock alerts that gives you, hey, it's your reorder point, order stock, right? You can receive notifications for timely reordering. And you can go ahead and use this tool to maximize your productivity. Just utilize the advanced Sortly techniques and best practices, right? You just integrate with other tools, connect with other tools like Shopify, QuickBooks. This will help you streamline your workflows. And you want to automate recurring tasks. You want to reduce the manual effort, save valuable time. Nowadays, you can automate a lot of mundane tasks, right? And also, you want to go ahead and provide ongoing team training. Ensure that everyone knows the best practices, okay? And there you go, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.